to put some onions and garlic in here now. Thank you. Oh no!
Reach carefully in. Pick it out like that. Yeah. Okay. Stir them around.
Now I'm going to toss it around for around a minute. That's actually really nice. Oh, and it feels hot. I think it's going to be really hot.
Joel, what will we put in next when Caitlin's...
We're going to put in some... Not yet. Not yet. Yeah.
It's whisked eggs, isn't it?
It's whisked eggs, they're two. And that's about enough now. And we're gonna put it round the edges. I think that's enough now. Yeah. Now egg round all the edges. Get this out.
Good idea, Joel. Good idea.
Oh no. Oh no. It's okay. It's okay. Then you have to whisk it into the middle. I have to mix it in now. It looks quite nice. I can't lift it up. Yeah, I can.
Okay. Scrape off those bits of egg. Scrape them off.
To put the broccoli in. Mix it. Mix it up. That looks nice. Delicious.
Right, Caitlin, do you want to let Joel now? Do you want to swap and let Joel do? Joel put the.
Time to put some peppers in. Woo!
Give it a good mix up.
Oh, it's still all not mixed up yet. Yeah, that's good. Now I'm going to add some peas. Frozen peas. Frozen. Oh, it feels so nice. Now we need to mix it up a bit. One more big mix to get it in. Time to add the main part, the rice.
Are you going to add it all in one go?
No. We're not going to add it all in one go. That was pretty much.
Okay, now mix it in. Mix it in.
Now we need to mix it in, then I'll put the rest in.
Caitlin, do you want to swap places and let Joel do some mixing?
Yeah.
And you can pass him the rest of the ingredients.
It'll be hard, so I think we have to...
Caitlin, go behind Joel. You get off your chair and go behind Joel.
No, you can... It seems that's Caitlin's... I'll see. You can help next. This is getting a bit...
Is the rice dry rice or is it cooked rice?
It's cooked rice. You need to use cooked rice, not dry. I can't even see anything. There you go. Okay. Ta-da!
Looking good.
Now we're going to add a bit this.
What's that, Joel?
It's soy sauce. Soy sauce. Don't say that. A few drops. A few. I like that. Actually, maybe around it. That's not.
Quite a lot more. Quite a lot more.
A tiny bit more.
And give it a good old mix in. Give it a good old mix in. Okay, you want to give it a good old mix in?
Yeah. Look at that.
Mmm.
Time to squeeze some lime. You squeeze two, I'll squeeze two. Okay? One by one. Two by two. One by one.
Be very careful not to touch the side of the pan.
Joy, you dropped it! Then what, we can fish it out. There. Oh, you have to squeeze it in. I'm not good at squeezing this. One. Done.
Good.
Get it to the other side, Kate.
stirring it. Don't forget to keep stirring it, it'll go crispy underneath. Get all that rice and egg from the bottom.
Oh, there. You keep putting them in while I do this.
Good idea, good teamwork.
Okay. Oh!
Lovely.
Smells so nice. Like this. See?
Okay, and we got your last ingredient.
Out the way. Time to put the last ingredient in. Chili.
Sweet chilli.
Sweet
You can't
chilli.
put that in too soon because it's sugary and it burns easily.
Sweet chili. Time to put some sweet chili in. Not too much. Not too little.
Whoa!
Oh no! I can't mix
How about
it.
Joel gets the lid off while you stir in the...
Yeah, good idea. It's gonna splurt in the face. This is the only last I don't know what to do. That is 2 of us. Chili challenge.
Literally a chili challenge.
It's a really hard challenge, Fitz.
Okay, let's pretend we've added that. We'll do that afterwards.
Yes. Okay.
Okay?
Thank you for watching Cook with the Kikani.